All right, kids. Today we're gonna talk about your great.
2 hours later.
Great grandfather Daniel and his friends. But Daniel's not in the story. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were enjoying their day until from this day forward, anyone who does not bow down to that statue will be thrown in the fiery furnace. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were good followers of God. They followed God's word, and in the word it says not to worship false idols. King Nebuchadnezzar wanted everyone to bow down, and those who didn't would be thrown in a fiery furnace. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were willing to die for God, so they chose not to bow down.
Where's Meshach and Abednego? What's their meat right here? They're late as usual. King Nebi, I can't bow down to your statue because that's going to be disobeying God's word.
I worship you, King Nebi.
You're doing that? I can never.
Guys, I think you forgot to bow.
Nah, I'd rather not. You know I'm a follower of God. We don't worship idols around these parts.
Boy, what you talking about? I said bow!
No! Leave me alone! Wait a moment!
Get in the surprise. Get over here. Get in there. No, yep, you too. Get in there.
Kind of a little bit high.
Nice to meet you, though.
Oh, yeah.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for saving my life.
No problem.
Let's save us.
No problem, buddy. Yeah, no problem. Thanks. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. All right. It's been nice knowing you guys. Make sure they believe. I thought I threw the 3 amigos in there. Why did I see 4?
Look.
It was your God that saved me, and now I believe. And anyone who does not believe in my God and their God will be thrown in the fiery furnace.
Get your money, man. Life goes on.
I'm hopeful, yes I am hopeful for today. Take this music and use it, let it take you away.
I don't like them staring at me. I don't like them over there. Great.
Oh, my heart!
Anyone who does not doubt, boy. Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
We don't worship idols over here around these parts. Come on. Let's just go get it.
Sit down. Great. Fall asleep. And Abednego were enjoying.
I can't bow down to your.
Kill King Nebi! Kill King Nebi! How can you come to my butt?
Yo,